All right, y'all, we're riding the new section of the single track bypass, which is the same as the start of the old bypass and extends back out to Bell Rock parking, like right there. It spits you out on the sidewalk.
All right, single track bypass. The top half is pretty much the same, which is super fun. Cutting through a little bare grass. We're off. Merging back onto Bell Rock Pathway for just 3 hot seconds. And back onto the bypass. Holy smokes! Joanna's kicking up rocks, making a mess. We're gonna have to get a crew out here to clean that up. Rider up. Hey.
Hey.
What's up, Brian?
What's up, you guys?
Beep. The brand new single track bypass. Yep. Got a little pedal section here. And then we'll start cruising into the flow section. Lots of rollers, maybe a couple doubles. Some supported corners and grade reversals, I should say. Fun stuff. Here we go. Phew. Nice corner. Phew. Beautiful corner here. Yeah. Phew. Watch your head on this one. Woo. Yeah. Rock. Woo.
That was so fun.
It's good. Good stuff. Go.
Word to the wise, go check out the new single track bypass trail because it's so fun.